Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. For today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete a branch on GitHub. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in github.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to GitHub if you haven't done that already. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top left corner, we have the three lines where you can click on, and we have the home, issues, pull requests, and those sort of things. And in the top right corner, when you click on your profile picture, we have the stat status, your profile, your repositories, etc, etc. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete a branch on GitHub. So deleting a branch on GitHub is straightforward, and here are the steps to do it. So navigate to your repository. So basically click on that. So I'll do it now. Now go to the main page of the repository where the branch is located. Then after that, access the branches. Click the branches button, usually found near the code tab. Then locate the branch. Find the branch you want to go and delete. Then delete the branch. Click the trash icon next to branch name to delete it. So deleting a branch using the command line, you can do that. For local branches, open your command line interface, navigate to repository directory, then check out the main branch and delete the branch. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.